The last part of the demonstration today is to take these numbers and have Excel make a graph for us, because that's really the point of all of what we are doing today. So in order to make a graph or a chart of some sort, we have to select the data that we want to graph. So what we're going to want to graph is our substance and its average pH. Now, how do I select this data and this data? Select the information in column A that you want to chart, then hold down your control key and go over and select the data that you would like in column E to graph. And that leaves the information in the middle out. So only the information that's selected is going to be put into our graph. We then come up here to the Insert tab, and there's a whole charts group here. You have to decide what type of chart you need to make. The computer is not going to make that for you. If you look at this information, you will know that it needs to be a bar chart. So we are going to come here. You can see that there are many, many different choices when it comes to bar charts. I'm just going to select the first one, and it automatically puts the chart in there for you. Do you want to change? So what we can do now that we have our chart in here is when you select the chart, you get these chart tools, and you have the chance of modifying and designing them as you'd like. So you can see like there's no axis labels. That would not be okay for Mrs. Howard. So you could come up here to the quick layout, and you can look at the different axis labels that you could add here, and you would want to pick one that has both the X and Y axis titles, and then you could click on that. You could come down here and you could write substance. You could come up here and you could write pH. If I don't really need that key there, I can take that out. And you can play with this and make this look how you want. If I want to change the color scheme, I have all those options. All the formatting things that you could do to make it look the way you want, but right here you have your pretty basic standard chart. The basic requirements of that chart have been met.